Welcome back, Earl Entertainment, baby. We're out here. Back, Earl Entertainment. It's gonna be a pretty fun day today. Figured I'd bring you guys along with me. We're heading to a car show over in Cornish. We got the Cat, we got the 350. Stay tuned.
Wanna go see all the race cars? All right.
Little better. Little loud. Maybe I gotta yell. There we go.
Right. So as the day changes, you can guess into the adjustments. Well, you know, we took that up.
Let's come check out some of these trucks, buddy. This one's manual transmission too. This would be a fun drive. Boy, that's a nice truck, isn't it?
Yeah, let's go look at those ones. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That one.
Oh, listen to this engine.
Yeah.
Paisley. Looks like an old Nova. See, it's got the flames on the front, like a fire. Looks pretty cool, doesn't it? He's smoking the tires. Guy. See all the smoke? See all the smoke down there? He was smoking the tires. Oh, watch out. Stay right here. I think he's gonna take off. Check out this ride. It's pretty cool. An old Monte Carlo. Is that what that is?
How you guys doing?
Doing good. Nice ride.
Yeah, it's an old Monte Carlo. Yeah.
No touch. No touching. We're just looking.
Look at this one. It's a Gremlin. That's what the car's called, the Gremlin.
Cool, huh? I'll pick you up. There, root beer is a soda, but with no caffeine. We
Yeah.
get to drink it.
Yep.
But my mom didn't let me have a lot of soda.
No, not us either. Only every once in a while, huh?
Yeah, only I get to do it on special days like this special day.
Yep.
How you doing? Good. Nice ride, man. Beautiful.
Ice hockey. They look different.
Okay.
And that car is like a high twin car.
Is this yours? Is this yours? Oh, good. We wanted to talk to you about it. Do you know anything about it?
What's that? A supercharger, yes.
Yeah.
A supercharger.
But what I don't understand is there's holes in here. There's no light. I don't know why that's there.
Because it's a Hellcat.
Oh, okay.
Which one's your favorite?
This one got that. This one's faster than
Oh.
that one. You can push the pedal. You're good.
Punch it a couple times.
This is the pedal.
Yep, punch it. Hit it. Hit it.
Whoa.
Yeah, I know. I'm just gonna start it right.
All right. Foot on the brake and then push the red button. There you go. Yeah, you can jump in and hit the gas a few
Tony,
times.
You're kidding me. This is like,
Yeah.
A couple times you can do
what
it.
a good little boy. I'm telling you, thank you for sharing.
Punch it.
Look at this thing.
Go and punch it.
Punch it. Now's your opportunity.
Oh,
Hit it good.
Come on.
Push it all the way down.
a lot of people have this.
A little bit.
Whoa,
There you go.
whoa,
All right. Now you got to shut it off.
whoa,
Yep.
wow.
Yeah, we
Unbelievable.
All right, guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the footage. It was a pretty cool show. A lot of nice cars showed up. Good time. Kids loved it. Till the next time, Earl Entertainment. Peace.